Hello everyone. How are you all doing? I hope everyone's doing good, staying safe and staying positive. Yes, and staying happy as well. I am Dr. Anchal C. Kakkar. Today we're going to talk about International Women's Day. Before I start, I would love to wish all the beautiful women out there a very happy International Women's Day. You don't need days, we don't need days. One day is not just for us. Every day is for us because we are special. We are special the way we are, the way we look, the way we behave, the way we do things. I'm just waiting for few of you to come online and we will start with. So yes, waiting for you guys to come online and we shall start with our Women's Day event. I see 6 people online. I'm waiting for more people to come online because I want all the beautiful women of Art of Joy to come online today. And yes, support women because women for women. Hi Megha. So yes, women, I'm waiting for all you to shoot out and we shall start the International Women's Day 2021. And thanks to Art of Joy for calling me today and becoming the voice of those women who cannot speak, who cannot say for what they believe and stand for what they believe. So it's very important for us to realize the importance of ourselves. I'm from a society, I'm from a place, India, so where gender inequality is very common. I would say in many other parts of the society, of everywhere of the world, gender inequality is very, very common. Gender inequality all the time, probably in your paychecks, in your wherever you're going, people look down upon you because you're a woman. So being a woman, people are actually terrified when it's a very it's an irony of a life that people actually when a girl child is born, they think so they're so disheartened because a girl child is born, whereas a mother is the one, the procreator. Mother is the one who creates the society, who creates families, who creates economies. And this is a fact. We just don't create communities, we create families, we create societies, we create the economies. I cannot see anybody. Yeah. People say we don't have time, women especially say we look after home, we are doing this, we are doing that, we don't have time. There are so many problems, so many problems, but we need to create time because remember one thing, Durga Ma also has 8 hands. You can actually go praise any lord. जरूरी नहीं कि उनके 8 हाथ है तो हम इसीलिए करते हैं, राइट? अगर 2 भी हो तभी करते हैं. But it shows, it symbolizes the power of a woman of multitasking, yet focusing, exactly focusing on what they are doing. So yes, I'm getting heart roses from the beautiful women out there. You know, we as women, we are so scared in life. I remember when I was, my instance, when I turned 25, I still remember, I got married at the age of 26. So I remember when I was turning 24, 25, my parents were always asked, Kab shaadi hogi iski? When will she get married? She's turning 24, she's turning 25. Everybody around me was so worried more than me that shaadi kab hoegi. This fear of age, I also started fearing the same thing. You know, I don't know this, you know, ki shaadi kab hoegi, I'll get old. But that doesn't matter. This is the fear of age. We always feel, we always say, a man can even restart at the age of 50, right? But a woman cannot do that. Why? A woman can start at any point of time, because a woman is much more stronger. I don't need to prove all this, how women is stronger. We all know we're the creator of this world. We know we're the creator of we are the creator of our children. We take care of our children. We handle the house. We handle everything around us. We handle our work. We are actually multitasking. I still remember my mother used to tell me one thing that, you know, a woman has 3 births in her life. One, she takes birth. Second, when she gets married, she goes to a new place because she has to accept things. Third, when she gives birth to a child. I remember in my childhood, I used to believe, what is she saying? How is this possible? I have taken birth only once. I am a woman. I'm strong as a woman. I don't need to take birth thrice. But this is a very true thing. We as women, we are so strong. We are so strong that every point of time, when we take birth, when we get married, and when we produce children, we as women take birth 3 times, because the difficulties, the problems which we go through, it's nowhere compared to the problems a man can go. A man cannot suffer all this. I still remember when the child, you know, came outside, when I could listen, you know, my son's crying, when I could listen his sound, I was shocked that is this really happened? There was something baking inside me and it just got out. Is this really possible? I was so stunned when I listened to his first cry. Why? I felt so strong as a woman. I still remember lying on that bed and, you know, I had a C-section, so lying on that bed, operation going on. I still remember I was like, oh my God, I really made it happen. And there's something which I can produce like that. So, you know, you feel so strong. You feel so strong when when a woman accomplishes so many things. And I always say a woman should support another woman. We as women, you know, forget to uplift each other. We start talking about each other. We start, we just start gossiping about each other. For example, a mother-in-law is gossiping about her daughter-in-law, daughter-in-law is gossiping about a mother-in-law. We start doing all this. I see a friend, you know, who's doing probably better than me. I start gossiping about her, right? So, you know, this is a very basic human nature, which I feel, you know, we are pulling ourselves back when one woman supports another woman. क्योंकि आपने हमेशा देखा होगा एक औरत का दुश्मन हमेशा एक औरत ही रही है, not a man ever. So, you know, mostly in the most of the cases. So when a woman supports a woman, you lead the way to upliftment. And this is a very good saying, you know, a woman is the only, you know, when a woman is crying, be the one to support her and not to make fun of her tears. Be the one to make her stand and make her wear and make her straighten her crown and not making it more crooked. Because a woman can uplift a woman. So it's very important when we all stand together, support each other and be there for each other. Because in our society, we need to support each other. In anywhere in the world we go, by the statistics I mean, there are gender inequalities. There are gender gap in paychecks. A man is paid far more better than a woman. Why? Why? Because we allow it to happen. We allow it to happen. In fact, you know, I was talking to Megha before I started this session. So she actually gave me a very good fact that a northeastern country is the matriarchy society, right? Matriarchy society, by that we actually mean where the woman is the whole soul owner, the whole soul, the creator, the whole soul owner and the whole soul responsible person of her house to take care whatever is going around the house. In a tribal area, Northeast India is a very small area. It's a tribal area. There the woman is given so much importance. And in big developed countries and developing countries as well, women are taken aback. Women are not provided with good education. Why? Because they feel ultimately they have to get married. So what's the point? If I can afford somebody's education, these things still happen. I still remember in my childhood seeing such things. Some of people, my people working under me, I'm seeing those problems. I could ask them that, why aren't you sending your daughter to a school and why are you sending your son? अरे बीबी जी, at the end तो शादी हो ही जानी है बेटी की, क्या करना है इसको पढ़ा के? Why? I was taken aback by listening all this. I still remember, and I still remember that day when I really believed that, I'll be the one referring, making those women strong who need to be strong. We always say we have time for everybody and not ourselves. Why? We have time for everybody. We have time for our husbands, we have time for our parents, we have time for our in-laws, we have time for a child. And when we don't have that time, we are selfish. We are tagged as selfish. Because, a woman is judged at every point of time. But remember one thing, being selfish is much better. Because you're creating time for yourself, you're giving time to yourself, you're investing time to yourself. And that's not bad. I have my child. My child is my priority. Not less, not more. Be it I'm selfish. Because I also need to take time for myself, and which is very important. I also need to realize that, because of me, my family is there. Because of me, my child is there. Because of me, everything around me is there. If I impart good education, in the society, I create family, I create community. And this is how it follows. And it is a fact, it is rightly said, a woman is much more stronger. I don't detest men at all. Men and women are equal because nature wants them equal, right? Nature wants a man and a woman to be equal. A man actually doesn't have to dress up a lot. A man always looks good, whether in clean shave, beard, whatever. A man always looks good, right? A woman always has to dress up, adorn herself beautifully to look good, right? But still, a man goes after that woman. A man still chases that woman, right? So it's the nature, it's the law of society. A woman needs to invest time on herself. A woman needs to realize the value of herself. And it won't start tomorrow. It will start now. It will start today. It will start happening today. So yes, respect each and every woman. I'm not saying it for the sake of saying it. I'm believing it. Trust me, I do believe all this. And I follow it. So I always say, believe what you follow. And just don't say it for the sake of saying it. Start believing it. I always say women should be so successful in life. Because, a woman should actually afford all the best luxuries in her life. A woman should always afford, employees. Because employees आपको ज़्यादा ध्यान रखते हैं बच्चों से. In future, trust me. बच्चे तो ध्यान रखे ना रखे. Employees आपका ज़रूर बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखते हैं. So yes, don't gossip about another woman. It won't give you any ego satisfaction, mind satisfaction. It will not give you anything. Interrogate yourself before talking about other women. You do not know what's the journey of that woman. You do not know what journey that woman has been through. Everybody faces problems. People will pull you down. People will bring you down. And that is for sure. People will bring you down. But to achieve success in life, a woman has to keep moving forward, because she will get a lot of comments in life. I get a lot of comments in life. Everybody does. We cannot stop that. But we have to remember that we have to keep moving forward and keep spreading happiness to each and every woman. Because it's just not one day for a woman. It's all the 365 days for women. Not one day at all. I still have that quote. Megan Margan rightly said, dreams of a woman become passion. May we empower each other to carry out such vision. And it's not enough to simply talk about equality. One must believe in that word equality. And we must all work together towards it. because strong, educated women are the great pillar of stability than a woman who is, just gossiping about somebody, a woman who's not feeling uplifted in life at all. So, yes, I always say you are privileged. Whoever right now can see me, can hear me right now, are privileged. So, please become the voice for the voiceless women who need that stand, who need that support, who need that push to go out in society and prove herself. It's very important because Women's Day is not just one day. It's 365 days, and we need to realize our value. We need to realize our value as a woman because we all are beautiful. We all are beautiful in whatever way we are. We all are beautiful. Yes, Monica says it's great that women can accomplish when purpose and passion overshadow fear. Yes, exactly. We as women are so scared and we have a lot of fears in our mind. What will that person say? What will this person say? What will happen tomorrow? What will happen day after? But we should remember one thing. We as women have to become fearless, have to become courageous. It's not just saying, we have to lead a life of being courageous and fearless, because investing time in yourself, being there for yourself and giving time to yourself, it's not selfish ever. It's not selfish. If you won't love yourself, you will never be able to impart that love to your family, that love to your community. And how will the societies build up? So yes, we stay together, we are beautiful women, we create societies, we create families, we create communities, and we create economies. So very happy Women's Day to all the beautiful women out there. You deserve it. Go celebrate. It's your day. And not just days, not just a day, you have all the days for you. So go celebrate whenever you want to. Take care. And thank you so much for being such a lovely audience. Thank you so much. Stay positive, stay happy, and keep meditating.